What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we actually got something in the mail, and honestly I'm super excited to put this in the car. Honestly, my bad, I started doing the first half and I didn't record. I just got too into it, and I just didn't record, man. But here, let me turn this around and I'll show you guys what it is. But yeah, guys, this is my headliner. As you guys can see, I already re-wrapped it. Like I said, my bad, I just got too into it, and yeah, I finished it. Once I finished, I was like, fuck, I did not record. But yeah, here it is, guys. We are going to be doing the fiber optic 270 piece on this headliner. Here's a little engine for it, the controller, and then the piece that goes into the projector. But yeah, guys, let me set you guys up. I'll set up the hyperlapse and then we'll continue from there. Alright, so before I show you guys, before I put you guys in the time lapse, I'm gonna show you guys what exactly I did. So here, let me turn you guys around and then I'll show you guys. But as you guys can see, I just went ahead and did a bunch of dots everywhere. Exactly the number that it is that the kit has, which is 260. But I put 260 dots everywhere. The ones that I crossed off, those are the ones that I'm not gonna go with because I put them in other places. But yeah, I got 260 dots right now as it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the time lapse now and start poking holes and putting the fiber optic in, and then we'll go ahead and put it in the car. Alright, guys, so I took a little break because this is hard on your back, man. Like, I didn't realize that my back would hurt. But it's going good so far. I'm already like halfway done with the headliner. I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. But yeah, man, time to get the other half done, get it all taped down, secured, glued on, and then yeah, man, then we'll try to install it in the car because it's really windy outside. But if I install it and I don't get to record it, I'll show you guys tomorrow. But for the most part, it's looking good, man. It's looking really promising, so I'll show you guys right now. But yeah, you guys can see I'm already halfway done with it. I already did the whole front. I'm already up to like this area where the little dome light goes. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up again, and I'll continue grinding it down. Alright guys, I finally finished putting every single strand in every hole. Now I'm gonna just go around and start putting glue on them so that they don't end up falling out later on, or like once I cut them or something like that. So I'll set you guys back up. Oh, and by the way, I'm using this glue to put it down. So if you guys end up doing this, you could use this one if you want. If not, you could use something else like a hot glue gun or something like that. But this is the one that I prefer, just because it dries super fast, and like, to my knowledge, like, it's really strong. So here, I'll show you guys. So this is the glue that I'm using. It's the Gorilla Glue, micro precise, and it dries in like 10 seconds or so. So I mean, that's how I'm using it. Alright guys, so I gotta make this really quick because my phone is dying. But I got all the strands in. All the strands have glue on the other side. So all I gotta do now is cut the ends from the side that I was gonna show. So here, I'll show you guys real quick. Let me turn. And yeah, see, I gotta go around and cut all of these strands so that it could be flush with the headliner, and that way we could go and test it out in the car. So yeah, let me cut all of this and then I'll continue this tomorrow when I have more time. But yeah guys, I already picked up everything. The headliner's already in the car, it's all installed. It's the next day, by the way. So I mean, I did everything off camera. Wiring is done, headliner's installed. I'm gonna leave you guys with this cinematic, and that'll be the end of the video, man. But I mean, as always, if you like the video, please comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one.